For the past 3 months, this has been our home, a parking spot in the driveway on my parents' property on the outskirts of Brisbane. We pulled in here just after the Easter weekend. I had medical appointments to attend, and I wanted to wait out the uncertainty surrounding the war in the Middle East and the diesel fuel shortage that was happening at the time. I never intended to stay this long, but life just got in the way. In some ways, it was good to stop for a while and reset. I've caught up with work, did some renovations on the bus, and ticked off a few much-needed maintenance jobs as well. But this is not where I want to be. I'm tired of walking the same streets every day. Tired of falling into the same mundane routines. There's a certain comfort in not having to constantly think about where I'm going to stay the night, or wondering if I'll have enough power or water supply. But I'm growing increasingly restless. I built a home on wheels for a reason. We've been still for too long, and today we are finally hitting the road again. It feels so good to be back on the road. The changing landscape, the big open sky, that sense of freedom and adventure. I've missed it all so much. We didn't travel far today. Just a couple of hours west to a tiny country town and a quiet donation camp. There's nothing particularly remarkable about this place, but that's okay. Sometimes the destination itself is not the point. Sometimes it's simply about having the freedom to move, having new tracks to walk, having a different view out the studio window. And as we settle into camp for our first night back on the road, I can feel my body relaxing and my soul heaving a sigh of relief. This just feels right. And I'm looking forward to seeing where the road takes us next.